In this video, I will discuss some important problems of trigonometry. So, the number one is show that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So, let's start solution. So, LHS is yours sec theta plus tan theta. If I express sec is equal to cos 1 by cos and tan is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Now you take LCM, you'll get 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. See, we need to find the relation in terms of theta by 2. So we have to convert these angles theta in its submultiple angle. So what is cos twice a? Cos twice a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So you can write this as cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. And what is sin twice a? Sin twice a is equal to twice sin a cos a. So you can write sin theta is equal to twice sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now you can see what is 1. 1 is nothing but cos square a plus sin square a. So you can write 1 is equal to cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2, and your sin theta is equal to twice sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. The formula of sin twice a, twice sin a cos a, and this is what? This is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, formula of cos twice a, cos square a minus sin square a. So if I break the angle theta in submultiple angle, I will get cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Now you can write this as perfect square. This is a square plus b square plus twice ab. So it can be expressed as cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square, and in the denominator this is a square minus b square. So it can be expressed as cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2, formula of a square minus b square into cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Now same cancelled, this is 1. So you are getting cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. See, in the numerator and denominator, if I divide by cos, I will have cos by cos, this is 1, sin by cos, this is 10, this is again 1 minus tan theta by 2. See, we can write 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. The value of tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So 1 can be expressed as tan of pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2. In the denominator it is 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta by 2. See, the value of tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So it can be expressed as tan pi by 4 into tan theta by 2. So the formula of tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to tan A plus B. So the result is tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So this is my required RHS. Please remember, it's a very important relation. Remember this, sec theta plus minus tan theta. If it is plus, then it is plus. For minus, it is minus. It can be expressed as tan of pi by 4 plus minus theta by 2. This is a very good question. Our second question is, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, that is the sum of three angles ABC is equal to pi, then show that tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. This formula is applicable for a triangle, because in a triangle the sum of the three angles is equal to pi. So this is applicable for any triangle. Solution: you are given that A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Now if I write A plus B is equal to pi minus C, it is true. Take tan on both sides, tan A plus B. Taking tan on the both sides, tan A plus B is equal to tan pi minus C. Now the formula of tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. What is tan pi minus theta? See, tan pi minus theta, I can write this as minus tan C. See, we know tan pi can be expressed as 2 into pi by 2 minus C. This is twice, so it remains same. Tan remains 10. Now pi by 2 twice, that is pi minus C. In which quadrant? In second quadrant, 10 is negative, so I write minus. So tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So this is minus tan C. Now multiply this side. So tan A by tan B, if I multiply by this, 1 into minus tan A, minus tan C, this is minus tan C, minus minus plus, this is tan A plus tan B into tan C. So if I take this on the left side, I will get tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A plus tan B plus into tan C. So this is a very well known result for any triangle. Okay, so here ABC represents the angles of a triangle. We know for a triangle the sum of the angles is equal to pi radian. Therefore the result is tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. It is applicable for any triangle. Here comes number 3. This is also a very useful identity. You are given that if A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, show that tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1. Okay. So now here the sum of the angles ABC is equal to pi by 2. So you need to find the sum of the products of tan A into tan B into tan C, and tan C into tan A is equal to 1. So let's start solution. We are given A plus B is equal to plus C is equal to pi by 2. So I can write A plus B is equal to pi by 2 minus C. Just like our last question, if I take tan on the both sides, I will get tan A plus B is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus C. Now the formula of this is equal to tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A into tan B. What is tan 90 minus theta? Is equal to cot theta. It is cot C. Now it is tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B. The value of cot C is equal to 1 by tan C. So multiply by tan C on the left side, I will get tan C into tan A, tan B into tan C 1 into 1 minus 10a 10b. So after taking this on the left side, I will have 10a into 10b plus 10b into 10c plus 10c into 10a is equal to 1. This is a very useful identity. Here comes number 4th question. Find the value of sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree and sine 80 degree. See, we know the values of sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, etc. But we don't know the values of 20 degree, 40 degree and 80 degree. So how to calculate this? Solution: sine 20 degree into sine 40 degree into sine 80 degree. Let's multiply by a2 here. So we have divided by 2. So this is nothing but 2 sine 40 degree into sine 20 degree. This is sine 80 degree multiplied outside. Now the formula of twice sine A sine B, the formula of twice sine A sine B is equal to cos A minus B. This is equal to cos A minus B. So 40 minus 20, 40 degree minus 20 degree minus cos A plus B. So it is 40 plus 20 degree into sine 80 degree. So half into this is what? Cos 20 degree. This is cos 60 degree. This is sine 80 degree. Now multiply by this. I will have half into sine 80 degree into cos 20 degree minus, what is cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to half. So half into half, 1 by 4 sine 80 degree. Now again multiply by a 2 here. I will write 1 by 4 into twice sine 80 degree into cos 20 degree. This is 1/4 of sine 80 degree, sine 80 degree. Now the formula of twice sine A cos B is equal to sine A plus B. I can write this as sine A plus B. So this is 80 degree plus 20 degree plus sine A minus B. 80 degree minus 20 degree minus 1/4 of sine 80 degree. See, this is 1 by 4th of sine 100 degree minus plus this is 80 minus 20 is 60. This is 1 by 4th of sine 60 degree minus 1 by 4th of sine 80 degree. Now I can say these are equal because this is sine of 90 degree plus 10 degree. This is 1 by 4th of root 3 by 2. This is 1/4 of, what is 80 degree? Sine 90 minus 10 degree. We know what is sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. It is positive. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So this is cos theta. This is root 3 by 8. And what about this? This is also 1/4 of cos 10 degree. Sine 90 minus theta is also cos theta. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4 cancel. Your result is root 3 by 8. So this is the value of this. Now remember this note, product of sine 60 minus theta into sine theta into sine 60 degree plus theta. Theta is in any acute angle, then the product will be is equal to sine of thrice theta by 4. This is a very important theorem. See, sine 60 minus theta. Here for this question it is theta is equal to 20 degree. So if I put 20 degree here, it is sine 40, sine 20 and sine 80. It will be is equal to sine 3 into theta, that is sine 60 by 4. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 by 4, root 3 by 2. Similarly, I can say that cos 60 minus theta, cos theta and cos 60 plus theta is equal to cos of thrice theta by 4. Similar problem is this 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta is equal to cos thrice theta by 4, and for tan the formula is tan 60 minus theta, tan theta into tan 60 plus theta is equal to tan of thrice theta. It's a very well known formula. Now number 5th, find the value of cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 80 degree. It is similar to number 5. So this can be solved in two different ways. First one, solution, cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 80 degree. Now at first write half into twice cos 40 degree into cos 20 degree multiplied to cos 80 degree. Now the formula of twice cos A cos B, the formula of twice cos A cos B is equal to cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. This is equal to cos A minus B, the 40 degree minus 20 degree plus cos 40 degree plus 20 degree into cos 80 degree. Now this is half into cos 40 minus 20 is cos 20, cos 20, 40 plus 20 is cos 60 into cos 80 degree. So this is half into cos of 80 degree multiplied to cos of 20 degree, half into what is cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. This is 1/4 of cos 80 degree. Now again, if I multiply by a 2 here, I'll get 1 by 4 into twice cos 80 degree into cos 20 degree plus 1/4 of cos 80 degree. This is 1/4 of formula of twice cos A cos B is what? Again cos A minus B, this is cos A minus B, 80 degree minus 20 degree plus cos 80 plus 20, 80 plus 20 degree, 1/4 of cos 80 degree. See, this is cos 80 minus 20, 60 degree, cos 60 is equal to half, this is half, and multiply 1/4 of cos 80 plus 20, it is 100 degree. See, what is cos 80? Cos 80 is 1/4 of cos of 180 minus 100 degree. 1 by 8, 1/4 of cos of 100 degree. Now, what is cos pi minus theta? Is minus cos theta. In second quadrant, cos is negative, so it is 1 by 4th of cos 100 degree. Now plus and minus so cancelled, the result will be 1 by 8. This is a very good problem. Now I will discuss another solution of this. This is second solution. You are given cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 80. Now if I multiply by 1 by sine 20 degree, see, I have multiplied by 1 by 2 into sine 20 degree, so it becomes 2 into sine 20 degree into cos 20 degree into cos 40 into cos 80. See, I multiply by 2 into sine 20. This is 1 by 2 sine 20 degree. What is twice sine a cos a? This is nothing but sine twice a. So the angle will be doubled. It is sine 40. Now it is sine 40 cos 40. Again, to get the formula correct, we need a 2 here. So multiply by a 2 in the denominator into cos 80. Now calculate. Again use the formula of twice sine a cos a. This is 1/4 of sine 20 degree. Twice sine a cos a is nothing but sine twice a. So the angle will be doubled. It is 80 degree into cos 80 degree. Now sine a cos a, we need 2 here. So multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 in the denominator. You are getting this. This is 1 by 8 sine 20 degree. What is the formula of twice sine a cos a? Again sine twice a. So it is 80. If the angle is doubled, I will get sine 80 into 160 degree. So what is 160? Sine 160 is nothing but 1 by 8 into sine 20. It can be expressed as sine of 180 degree minus 20 degree. We know in second quadrant sine is positive. This is 180. That is product of 2 into 90. Sine remains same. Sine, it is 1 by 8 into sine 20 degree. This is sine. What is sine pi minus theta? It is sine theta. So it is same. So your result will be 1 by 8. So this is also a very good solution for this question. Now it is question number 6. Find the value of 1 by 2 sine 10 degree minus 2 sine 70 degree. So let's solve it. This is 1 by 2 sine 10 degree minus 2 sine 70 degree. If I take LCM, I will get 1 by 2 sine 10 degree. 1 minus 2 to the 4, it is 4 sine 70 degree into sine 10 degree. 1 minus, what is 4? 4 is equal to 2 into twice sine 70 degree into sine 10 degree by 2 sine 10 degree. 1 minus twice. The formula of twice sine A sine B is equal to cos A minus B, it is 70 degree minus 10 degree, minus cos A plus B, 70 degree plus 10 degree. See, the formula of twice sine A sine B, twice cos A cos B, twice sine A cos B, twice cos sine B are very important. You have to memorize this formula. This is twice sine 10 degree. Now 2 into, what is 70 minus 10? 60. Cos 60 is equal to half, minus cos into 70 plus 10, it is 80 degree. In the denominator it is twice sine 10 degree. Now calculate. This is 1 minus 2 into half, it is 1, minus minus plus 2 into, what is cos 80 degree? It is cos 90 degree minus 10 degree. This is twice sine 10 degree. Now calculate 1 1 cancel. What is cos 90 minus theta? It is sin theta. So it is twice sin theta by twice sin theta. Now cancel, the result will be 1. So the value of this is equal to 1. This is a very good problem. Here comes the last problem of today's video. So find the values of sine 22 and half degree, cos 22 and half degree. See, 22 and half degree represents 45 by 2 degree. That is the half of 45 degree. So let's use the formula of cos twice a. We know twice sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos twice. The formula of twice sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos twice a. Put a is equal to 22 and half degree. I will get 2 into sine square 22 and half degree is equal to 1 minus cos 45 degree. Am I correct? 22 and half degree means 45 by 2 degree. So if I put a is equal to 22 and half degree, I will get this. What is 1 minus cos 45 degree is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. So take LCM, root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Now sine square 22 and half degree is equal to root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So we need to find the value of sine. See, 22 and half degree is an acute angle, so the value must be positive. So sine of 22 and half degree is equal to, if we take its square root, I will get root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 and its square root. So this is the value of 22 and half degree. Now to find the value of cos 22 and half degree, we will write again twice cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos twice a. We know that twice cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos twice a. So put a is equal to 22 and half degree. We will get twice cos square 22 and half degree is equal to 1 plus cos 45 degree. Now the value of cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. So if you take LCM, you will get root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So the value of cos square 22 and half degree divided by this 2 will get root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now see, 22 and half degree is acute angle, so in first quadrant cos is always positive. So that if I take square root, I must take the positive value for cos 22 and half degree. So it will be is equal to square root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of cos 22 and half degree. Now you need to find out, hence find the value of cos 67 and half degree. Hence sine 67 and half degree is nothing but sine of 90 degree minus 22 and half degree. So what is cos 90, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta is equal to cos theta. So the value of this is equal to square root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, your cos 67 and half degree will be is equal to cos of 90 degree minus 22 and half degree. What is cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. It is sin 22 and half degree. So result will be square root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So we have calculated the value of sin 22 and half degree and cos 22 and half degree. Using this, we have also calculated the value of sin 67.5 degree, cos 67.5 degree. In next video, I will upload more important problems of trigonometry from class book.